Emarketing is the #1 choice for e-commerce marketing. With a simple integration, eMarketing uploads your products and store information so that you can advertise on Google Shopping, Amazon Advertising, Facebook, and Instagram. With easy-to-use campaign creation, you can create Google Smart Shopping campaigns or advanced campaigns for your products. With the Amazon platform, you can also create campaigns that advertise your products just the way you like, from top performers or low performers to choosing which products you want to advertise yourself. You can do it all with eMarketing. Made just for e-commerce merchants like you, eMarketing also has the tools that merchants need to sell more. See which products would sell better on a different platform. Check your competition and stay updated with alerts. Research which countries your store would perform best in to go truly international. Sign up today and get your free competitor check at emarketing.com.